Ed Shin and Katie, and we are gonna...
Goat? Sorry. Go ahead.
We're meeting up with Ed and Katie, and we are gonna go camp in the backcountry.
Again.
We all had to work today, and it's definitely a late start. It's Friday night, and we have to gas up and then head out, so we may be looking for a campsite after dark, but that's okay. What's that little shrug?
What? What shrug? It's kind of surreal being out here at this time. The sky's that blue, purpley color from the sunset, and then there's the burnt trees that are white. It just doesn't look real. It's cool though.
All right, so we've gassed up, and Ed and Katie will be here in just a few minutes. It is definitely gotten dark, and so it's going to be interesting to get out there and find a campsite. But I did some pre-scouting on maps and satellite pictures, and so I have a number of possible spots already marked. We just got to find our way to them. You guys going to gas up?
Yeah, we're going to gas up, and then just to be safe with it.
I've actually been up this way before, about a year and a half ago, so I'm not worried or anything, but it's a little disorienting when you're used to being out here in the daylight and you just can't see anything at all. It's late and it's dark. Ed and Katie are over there setting up. I need some good light to quickly get our camp set up, so I'm going to use my Jackery Explorer 500 to power my Helian Minicat LED strip. While I usually try to get camp set up before dark, it's so nice to have a portable source of electricity at my disposal, ready for any need, be it running lights or recharging devices. Well, I quickly threw the Helian Minicat LED strip up over there and just plugged it into the Jackery so that we could quickly get some light set up here in camp and just illuminate the whole area. All right, it's really late, so I'm being fast tonight. We got the tent set up. Lucie wanted to get some warmer clothes on. We still haven't had dinner yet, and it is 10:30. Fortunately, on the way out of town, we stopped for one of my favorite Eugene takeouts, Ron's Island Grill. So we have some tasty Mauna Loa chicken all ready for us to eat before bed. Not a whole lot of filming tonight, but we'll probably just get back at you in the morning.
Edward is on double duty this morning, cooking a delicious breakfast for all of us and filming content for his channel in the process.
Coffee's, or your hot cocoa's ready.
I'd never seen one of these before, but this 2-inch long beast burrowing here in camp is the common thread-waisted wasp, and despite its intimidating size, it is far more interested in caterpillars than people, only stinging defensively if stepped on or handled roughly. I have no intention of handling it, thank you. We're headed out to do some exploring of the area. Rather than break camp, we've decided to keep our charming spot along this creek and just fan out onto whatever trails we can find from here. Our range is somewhat limited by a wildfire to the west and the national forest boundary to the east, but my research seemed to indicate an interesting network of primitive roads to explore. A friend told me there are Native American rock paintings in this area, so we've set out to see if we can find them. I almost missed it, but Lucie spotted them.
where we parked in the dark last night, the ground was a little uneven and couldn't quite see where was a good spot to camp. We found a little bit, Lucie found a flatter area of ground over there, and moved the car over there too.
I found it last night. He said that it wasn't flat. Don't listen to him.
We're gonna get some dinner going here soon. We're just gonna have some simple quesadillas tonight, and I think Ed's probably gonna start cooking here soon as well.
There's no cell service out here, so I'm not sure why Lucie is on her phone. Oh, never mind.
Small change of plans. Ed's making a feast, so I'm not even gonna cook. We're just gonna eat Ed's food again. Easiest dinner ever.
What do you think, Chef Donald? Does it meet your standards?
This is much better than what I was going to cook tonight. So I'm thrilled.
Well, it's about 7 o'clock on Sunday morning. It's our last day, and we're going to be heading home today. Everyone's still sleeping, starting to wake up. Just gonna wander around and explore some of the area around here I haven't seen yet.
I don't know if you can see that. At first I thought it was some old road. It's definitely sort of cut through there, but I think it's actually maybe a fire line cut by a bulldozer, because there was definitely fire up there on this hillside at some point. There's a lot of burn up there, but it is not burned over here. See smoke from one of the wildfires off in the distance there.
Edward, Katie, and Bernie are hitting the road towards home, and we'll be doing the same. Time to find our way back to the highway, air up, and head home.